So how we have tested our marshmallow is like how everyone else had tested theirs, is they had put theirs inside of a pressure chamber, and so had we. Of course, everyone had concealed our marshmallow inside of our pressure suit, and then we put it in said pressure chamber. And then we took it out in a matter of 20 seconds. And how we had built our pressure suit and designed it was we decided, hey, let's put a marshmallow inside of a plastic bag, zip it up, and then wrap it in some plastic wrap. And then after that, we'd wrap it in Scotch tape, so when we put on the plastic wrap and unwrapped our pressure suit, it would be easier to deconstruct our pressure suit.
Okay. The strengths and weaknesses of our prototype is, well, some of the strengths were that the fact that we put multiple layers of tape, it concealed the plastic bag so no air would get out. And some weaknesses is the fact that about how much tape we used, it was hard to take off. And when we were taking it off, we most likely somewhat squished the marshmallow while we were taking it off because of how we had to put pressure on it so we could take off the tape. And yeah, those are the strengths and weaknesses of our final prototype.
And how we had finally done our last test, and on our few last tests of which we succeeded in, is where we had successfully not squished the marshmallow.
Yeah. Okay, and that is our last video of what we've done. Thank you for watching us, and goodbye, NASA.
So this is my friend Jenny's design. This is her right here. And this circle right here is a plastic ball insulating our marshmallow. And that is all that was contributed to the final design. Everything else on here was not contributed to the final design. And this is my very quick drawing here. And the only thing that had contributed to the final design, for my original design, was an Easter egg, which is also a plastic ball kind of fitting that had cover of which would have covered this, but instead of that, we had used a plastic bag, which, considering that this is plastic, same thing here. I'm gonna What have you done to contribute to the final design?
Okay, so me and my partner are making our own videos, and he'll tell you what he contributed to the final prototype. But what I contributed to the final prototype is, from my first prototype drawing, I contribute the plastic bag and how we should insulate the marshmallow inside the plastic bag. And that's what I contributed to the final program. How did our original designs contribute to the final design?
Well, actually, our designs hadn't contributed not really at all, because the only thing that contributed to the final design of both of our designs was insulating the marshmallow in, per se, a bag or hard plastic container and then wrapping it, of which now we finally, as the end result, we used a bag Ziploc, and then we put the marshmallow in there, and we had taken out all the air before we had completely zipped it.